Okay, so I'm going to check my auxiliary battery is out, um, but I want to check if my the scanner shows that the auxiliary battery is what's out, because the dash only shows something to do with the battery, but which exact battery is out, the dash doesn't show that. So I was curious to know if the scanner can scan and tell me which of the batteries is actually out. So I'm going to be using the scanner to tell me, give me that information. So this is an OBD2 connector connected to the scanner, and just gonna be connecting this OBD2 connector. Yeah, so that's the connector, OBD2 connector, and that's the wire. There we go, it's connected and it's powered on. And let's see, I haven't started the engine, but I'm not sure if I need to start the engine. So let's go to first, let's try voltage. So this is probably showing the voltage from the main battery, which is 2.15 volts. I'm not sure because it's actually the auxiliary battery that's bad. So we go back and let's see, diagnostics maybe. And obviously you want the diagnostic for Mercedes Benz. Version 32, I'm not sure what that means. So it's got a VIN identity. I wonder, it says I can read or enter the VIN, so let's try reading it. Actually, I've never tried reading it, so I'm going to try to read it. Reading the VIN. Okay, so it looks like it has read it, the VIN, and F1 is okay, and it's, I think it's up to 5 of 2025 of 2005, so that's correct. Yeah, I think this just gives me all the information on the vehicle itself. F1 is okay. Okay, let's see, let's do a quick test, see if it comes up over here. Set ignition to on. I think we have to turn on the ignition. So I'm gonna start. Okay, I have started the ignition, and there it shows the visit workshop message for the battery. And let's click on. Now it's finding all kinds of faults. Transmission control module. ECM also, it's finding a fault. The SBC is a sensotronic brake control. I think the auxiliary battery powers the SBC brakes, so oh, looks like it's still scanning. It's taking quite a while. I'm not sure if I need to actually start the engine. Let's see, it doesn't let me go back. Let's try. Doesn't let me pause either. It looks like it's just crashed. What about if I just disconnect this? This looks like it's crashed though. Disconnected it. Let's try to reconnect it. Okay, let's see if there are. I don't think there is an OBD2 code for it. Now I'm going to use vehicle select. I'm just going to select the vehicle. It's an E-Class. E-Class, and its chassis is 211. So that's the right one to choose. And it's a 2004 model, so that's the one we'll select. And this is a sedan. And it is a gasoline engine. And it's got all the different variations. So the one that we have is the E500. But let's see if there are any other E500s. No, there aren't. So let's select the E500 over here. Oh, it's reading the VIN code. Okay, it's come back to the part of the VIN code. That's strange, but okay. And then we click F1 for OK. Quick test, we try that again. I have a feeling maybe I'm supposed to start the engine. So I'm going to go ahead and start the engine. And then I'm going to click F1 for OK. It's finding that same TCM fault again, transmission control module fault. And it's stuck on the SPC again. So I'm not sure why it's doing this. So I'm going to disconnect it again. It looks like it keeps crashing at this point. Doesn't let me pause, doesn't let me do anything. I'm going to reconnect it. Okay, now let's check the voltage when the car is started. Maybe it's different. Yeah, see, when the car starts, it's at 14 volts. And if you want to see the wave, it plots the wave and it shows it to me. But this is probably for the main battery, because obviously it's showing a warning message for on the dash.